to the Financial Spotlight. Today is day number 12 of our Money Savvy Challenge. And if you haven't gotten the calendar yet, go ahead and download it. The link is in the description box below. It is free. Don't you like free? I love free. So if you like free and you need some help with getting your money in order, figuring out what you need to do with your finances every single day or every single month, go ahead and download the calendar. It is free and it will help you. And we're going through it every day this month here on the channel. So like I said, today is day 12. And today I want you to do something that will save you money in the future. So when I say do something that will save you money in the future, that might be making some changes to the times of day that you wash clothes, or changing up the products that you purchase at the store. So say you usually buy all name brand items, maybe you buy some things that are store brand items. Or how about if you want to use coupons that will be beneficial for you, maybe you can cut a couple of coupons. My husband hates coupons. Maybe you can cut a couple of coupons and save a couple of dollars at the store. So do something today that is going to help you in the long run. One of my tax clients, they did something wonderful, and they went ahead and got the solar panels put on the top of their home, and that has saved them so much money. And on top of that, on their taxes, they got the tax credit of $7,000. So it was a win-win situation for them all around. So if you can do something like that, that will help you in the long run and save you a couple of dollars. Go ahead and, like I said, download the calendar for this month. That is free. The link is in the description box. Of course, you can use these tips every single day of the year, not just this month. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the Financial Spotlight. We would love to have you as a part of our family. Thanks for joining me and have a great one. Bye.